Okay, welcome to 2020 question A1. Okay, we have an image shown a paperweight. It consists of a cube and square base prism which intersect each other. The drawing shows an incomplete dimetric projection, so that means the angle between the two planes are equal. Okay, and one is not the same value. Sorry about the flicker. Pictorial view shown. Complete the dimetric projection of the paperweight. So that means we're going to project our lines down parallel to the axis, and we have the points labelled for us. Right, so the clue is already given to you in the question. Right, that's your question is the best source of info. So we're going to draw the lines down parallel to the axis. Okay, so H is done. Okay, I've brought down C, and I need to bring down G. I need to bring down F. Okay, E, and then I think I have to do B, and D there is already done. Okay, I can bring down the points on the square base prism as well. So 1/2, okay, 3/4, and then I've got 1, 2, okay, 3, 4. Now I'm going to bring the points down then parallel to the axis here, the z-axis. So I'll bring 1/3 down. I'm going to bring F down, G down, H down. C is already brought down. Okay, this C is in the way of another point too. Okay, B is already done. Okay, this one is brought down. Okay, we don't have a letter for it, so we realistically won't need it. Okay, and A is brought down. So A, I've got surface A, B, C, D. Now, point H. So follow H down to meet H here. So here's point H. Okay, now point F. I'm going to bring F down to meet letter F. There's point F. B is already done. A, so A, B, C, D is done. E, need to bring E down to meet point E. So there's point E. Okay, have I got F? Okay, I've got G, I've got H, I've got C. Now the pyramid, so, or the prism, square base prism. Right, 1, there's point 1. Okay, point 3. Okay, and then 2 and 4 I've yet to bring down. So there's point 2. And then I have to bring number 4 down. So here's point number 4, which realistically is going to be inside. And I'll bring down the bottom in a short while. So I can heavy the square together. And now I'll bring down the bottom of it. So I can bring this down. It's kind of easy then when you're just going vertical lines then. Okay, A joins to letter E. So A joins to letter E. B joins to letter F. So now it can be very easily, the letters can be very easily lost again. So what was it saying? B joins to letter F. Okay, now F joins to letter E. Okay, then F joins to letter G. Okay, so letter G. So bring down letter G here until they intersect. So here's letter G. Now G joins to letter H. Okay, and H joins to letter C. Okay, and then 2 will be joined to letter 4. Okay, and 3 will be joined, 2 joins to number 4, not letter 4. That obviously doesn't make sense. Okay, and I can heavy these. Okay, the bottom's a square base prism in. And then this is probably my favorite part of the question. Determine and indicate in degrees. Okay, the true angle between surface ABC, D, and the horizontal plane. So if you want to see the true angle between two surfaces, you need to see both surfaces as edges. Okay, so what does this test students on? It tests students, do they know what these edges on the triangles, okay, and the setups represent. So this is an edge of the vertical plane, this is an edge of the horizontal plane. Alright, so if I wanted to get the true angle between surface ABCD and the horizontal plane, it'd have to be here in this view, because the horizontal plane is projecting as an edge here in this, and surface ABCD is projecting as an edge. Okay, and the line of intersection between the surfaces is projecting as a point. So the angle is there, okay, and you should measure the angle where you're going to get 55 degrees and indicate it and say true inclination. Now, other things to note, that's an edge of the N vertical plane. That's an edge of the horizontal plane, again the base of it. Okay, there's the HP there. Okay, here's the N vertical plane, and here's the vertical plane there. Okay, the true shape of it there. How do you know that? Because the x-axis is the distance from the N vertical plane, the z-axis is the distance from the vertical plane, and the y-axis is the distance up from the horizontal plane. So then we'll have a quick look here. So there's our American scheme, Mark's value. So 16 marks for that. Okay, part A altogether. So location points, we're going for marks. Complete the top surface of the square prism, and then part B was worth 4 marks. Right, cheers, thank you, bye bye.